This is a 204 SDF, 4 cubic foot freezer, and I'm going to show you how to remove and install the gasket. Just grab the gasket by one of the corners, and it's best to grab the gasket at each corner to make sure you don't pull the corners off. That is removing the gasket. To replace the gasket, you want to start with a corner and press the gasket in the middle. As you'll see, it's got a little bead that fits down into the channel. And you basically go around the door, and when you get to the corners, you might have to tuck the corners in. Bottoms. And then it's best to go around and check to make sure the gasket is in properly. And that's it. That's removing and installing a gasket.